In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a full-time living selling online. Hi guys, my name is RJ Martinez. I make a full-time living selling online. What's going on? Now I know what you're thinking. That's impossible. No one can make money on the internet. But that's where you're wrong. I've been doing it for years and figured out all the tricks of the trade and still learning. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking for ways to take your business to that next level, stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you everything that I know. The internet has made it possible for everyone to sell anything to anyone in the world. This is a huge opportunity. And there are many people out there that have successfully built businesses online. So if you're thinking about starting a business online or you're already selling products and services on the internet, these 5 tips will help you get started. Number 1, research your niche. This is one of the most funnest things that I enjoy doing personally myself. First thing is to find a market for your products and services. There are many ways to do this, but the most important thing is to make sure that there is a group of people who are willing to pay for what you're selling. Researching your niche doesn't have to be complicated. Start by looking at your interests and hobbies and see if there are any business ideas in those areas that you can start. You can also look at trends in the marketplaces to see if there are any products or services that are growing in popularity. Number 2, best services without investment. There are some platforms where you can start promoting your products and services without any investment. You can start a blog or a website on WordPress, blogger.com, tumblr.com, and promote your products and services for free. There are some other platforms where you can only sell your skills and services. But let me tell you some businesses that are really easy to start and you can potentially make a lot of money. Number 1, print on demand. Number 2, drop shipping. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Number 4, selling digital products. Number 5, Kindle Direct Publishing. Number 3, best platforms. Amazon.com, eBay.com, Shopify, Redbubble, Etsy. These are all very popular platforms that you can sell products on and make a lot of money if done correctly. Number 4, how to jump into the market. The best way to start selling online is to find a platform that suits your needs. There are many different platforms available, and each one has its own benefits and drawbacks. Most important thing is to choose a platform that you're comfortable with that will allow you to reach your target market. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is to learn about the market, its competition, the behavior and interest of customers, and the rules of the platform being used. Remember, on the internet, information and following the rules is key to success. Number 5, best tips. Here are some of the tips to help you get started. Start small and focus on quality. Be patient and consistent. I love that word, consistent. This rule applies very differently to everyone. When it comes to being consistent, everyone has their limit. So you make sure you take your break. You can be consistent for 4 days, right? Take a break, 2-day break. You can be consistent for 6 days, okay? Everyone's different. You can take a break for 1 day and you'll be okay, right? So make sure that you hold yourself accountable to being consistent, and you do that and you'll achieve a lot of your goals. Build a strong relationship with your customers. Consistently improve your products and services. This is gonna help you make more money if done correctly. And don't be afraid to try new things. We all fail, we all make mistakes. So that one mistake can probably teach you a lesson, or that one opportunity that you took the risk on, it can benefit you in a big way. Now, if you wanna learn more about selling books on Amazon, watch this video right here. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel with notifications on. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Peace.